gorgeous ladies, welcome back to my channel. Winter is still here and honestly I'm so tired of it. The cold, the dry air and the lack of sunlight. It's not exactly the easiest season and not my favorite, that's for sure. But since we still have a little while to go, I thought I would share some of my favorite winter beauty hacks to make these things feel a bit easier and help us through the season, feeling our best. These are practical tips that actually work, from keeping your skin hydrated to boosting your energy and just making winter feel a little more manageable. And hopefully spring will be here before we know it. If you love all things beauty and elegant living, I would love for you to subscribe and join this wonderful community. And now, let's get into it. Winter can be especially tough on the skin, making it feel tight, dry and sometimes even irritated. The combination of cold air outside and central heating inside can strip moisture, leaving the skin feeling dehydrated and dull. This is why winter is the time to switch to richer, more nourishing products that deeply hydrate and help protect the skin barrier. The key is layering hydration properly. So start with a hydrating serum, follow with a rich moisturizer, and if your skin needs extra nourishment, seal everything in with a facial oil. This locks in moisture and prevents water loss, which is the main reason skin feels drier in colder months. And don't forget SPFs. Yes, even in winter, because sun damage is one of the biggest contributors to premature aging and skin dehydration. Winter is actually one of the best times to use more intensive skincare treatments like retinol, chemical exfoliants and other active ingredients. Since we are exposed to less direct sunlight, it's the perfect season to focus on skin renewal. Retinol boosts cells turnover, keeping skin smooth and fresh, but it can also cause dryness, so hydration is key really. Always layer a rich moisturizer and never skip SPF, especially with retinol. For chemical exfoliation, winter is a great time to incorporate AHAs or BHAs to keep skin smooth and prevent buildup from dry, flaky skin. The key is not overdoing it though. Stick to exfoliating 2 or 3 times a week max and always follow with a rich moisturizer to protect the skin barrier. Other great skin treatments: hydrating masks, barrier repair creams and peptides to counteract any dryness from retinol or exfoliants. Think of winter skincare as a mix of renewal and deep nourishment. You want to get all the benefits of actives while still keeping your skin calm, strong and glowing. So let's talk about my favorite products for face, what I'm using right now. This is actually what I'm using maybe every second day. It's a very well-known product, Ren. Retinols, I mentioned retinol, so Elizabeth Arden is a must for me. I love these capsules. Something for exfoliate, this Dennis Gross Universal Peel. I haven't tried it yet actually, and there are 2 steps, so definitely I will be trying it next. I have these new Decree capsules, so I will be trying also these ones. They look like this. One of my favorites is Liquid Gold, always from Alpha H. And we also have a new one, I think, vitamin E. My all-time favorite is also Paula's Choice AHA and BHA. Yes, really nice. We talked about peptides. And I have to calm down for night this night oil from Aurelia, and you can see I'm using it right now. And for bed I recommend this range of products from Sunday Riley. They look like this. I already used one, and my favorite is actually this Retinol Luna, and also Good Jeans. Very, very nice products. Wonderful. I will leave more of my favorites products in the description box below. And don't forget, you can use my discount code Look Fantastic for up to 22% off. Perfect time to stock up. I pretty much always have this discount code, so you can use it anytime. And I tried my discount code not only on the UK side, but also on the US side and other local Look Fantastic sites, and it works. Alright, let's talk about lip care in winter. This is the time of year when they need a little extra attention. Cold air, wind and indoor heating can really make them look not the best. The key is keeping them soft and smooth. And for that, hydrating balms are a must. And if you wear lipstick, and we all do of course, especially matte formulas, applying a balm beforehand makes all the difference. Also, don't lick your lips when they are dry. It actually makes them worse, much worse. And a little extra step. Gently exfoliate with a lip scrub once a week to get rid of any flaky skin before applying your balm. A little extra tip for you: apply a rich lip mask before bed. It's such an easy step, but you wake up with plump, soft lips without even trying. My go-tos have always been Laneige and Kiehl's. But lately I've been seeing more amazing formulas from brands like Tatcha, the Kissu Lip Mask, Elizabeth Arden's 8-hour Lip Repair Balm, and Omorovica's Perfecting Lip Balm. These all have that rich, deeply hydrating feel that leaves lips soft and smooth overnight. Perfect for keeping lips in top shape, especially if you love wearing lipstick. Hands always give away how dry winter air is, even if your face is fine. Your hands always feel it first. And if your hands are extra dry, try this. Apply a thick layer of hand cream before bed and wear cotton gloves overnight. It sounds a bit much, or maybe not, rather not. But I promise you will wake up with the softest hands ever. Also, never leave the house without gloves. Wearing gloves actually helps prevent moisture loss, so always keep a pair handy. My personal favorites are L'Occitane, always, and Rituals, and many more really. They all feel luxurious but super effective, keeping my hands soft without feeling greasy. But there are so many amazing hand creams out there. Chanel, Augustin, Butter, Diptyque also have incredible formulas if you love a more indulgent option. I will leave some of my favorites below. And don't forget your feet. They always get neglected but need just as much hydration. Winter can be rough on them with thick socks and boots. If you want super soft feet, apply a thick cream before bed and wear socks overnight. To keep them smooth, exfoliate weekly with a scrub, and you will wake up with the softest skin ever. This is actually what I usually do. Winter can be so rough on hair. The cold air dries it out. Indoor heating makes it even worse. And if you wear scarves and coats, the friction can lead to so much breakage. The solution? Extra nourishment and deep conditioning treatments. I love anything with argan oil, keratin or honey because they restore moisture, keeping hair soft and strong. And if you wash your hair often, try switching to not so warm water. Hot water strips moisture way faster, and just that one change makes a huge difference. Also, if your ends get dry from scarves and coats, carry a tiny bit of oil with you. Just smoothing a drop to your ends keeps them from looking frizzy or damaged. What products to use? Espa has a super Nourish hair and scalp mask, Olaplex with building hair treatments and other products that I really love, Gizu with the honey range, Avida the pearl line, Kerastase oil, and much more. If you feel extra dry in winter, it's probably because you are not moisturizing enough. The key isn't just moisturizing, it's how and when you do it. Right after showering, while your skin is still damp, apply a rich body butter, cream or oil. This helps locked in hydration instead of just sitting on top. I am a great fan of all body creams and I use lots of them. I have just finished my Jo Malone, which was amazing. I can highly recommend Nuxe Whey Body Cream, Augustinus Butter, L'Occitane, Elemis and many more. So those were my winter beauty tips because let's be honest, winter can be tough on the skin, hair and everything else. But with the right routine, we can still glow and feel our best even in the coldest months. Now I would love to hear from you. What are your go-to winter beauty hacks and routines? Are you all about nourishing creams, rich hair masks, or maybe something totally different? Let me know in the comments section. And of course, if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join this community. And make sure you turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.